How are you?
Let's learn English together.
Good morning. Please have a seat. What brings you here today?
Good morning, doctor. I've been feeling unwell for the past 3 days.
I see. What symptoms do you have?
I have a headache, sore throat, and mild fever.
Do you also have a cough or cold?
Yes, a little cough, especially at night.
Did you take any medicine?
I took paracetamol, but it didn't help much.
Let me check your temperature and throat. Your temperature is slightly high, and your throat is inflamed.
Is it serious, doctor?
Nothing serious. It seems like a viral infection. I'll prescribe some medicine.
How long will it take to recover?
You should feel better in 2 to 3 days. Drink plenty of water and take rest.
Thank you, doctor. Should I avoid anything?
Yes, avoid cold drinks and oily food for now.
Okay. When should I come for a follow-up?
If the fever continues after 3 days, visit again.
Thank you so much.
Take care and get well soon.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe for daily English conversations with us.